Good day, my learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to our part 2 of our video tutorial about our own known Philippine heroes. Are you ready? I guess you are ready. Let's continue. Number 21 is Pedro Paterno. Statesman, poet, writer, and peacemaker. Born in Manila on February 27, 1858. He was the negotiator or mediator of Pact of Biak na Bato. He helped prepare the Malolos Constitution. Died on April 26, 1911. Number 22 is Jose Palma. Poet and soldier, born in Tondo, Manila, on June 3, 1876. Younger brother of Dr. Rafael Palma. He was a staff member of La Independencia. He wrote Filipinas, a patriotic poem in Spanish, which became the lyrics of the Filipino national anthem. Died in Manila on February 12, 1903. Number 23 is Artemio Ricard, T. The unconquerable hero of the revolution. Born in Batac, Ilocos Norte, on October 20, 1866. Known as Vibora, he was a gentle public school teacher who became a dashing revolutionary general. Died in the jungles of Sierra Madre on July 31, 1945. Number 24 is Raja Lacandola. One of the most illustrious ancient Filipinos. Chief of Tondo, when Legazpi came to Manila in 1571, he became a Christian and took the name of Carlos, after the King of Spain. He made the blood compact with Goitic. He fought alongside the Spaniards against the Kina separate Limahong. Died in 1575. Number 25 is Raja Solomon. The last Raja of Manila, noted for his daring and bravery. Nephew of Raja Lacandola, of all of the early rulers of Manila, he was feared most by the Spaniards. He was killed on June 3, 1571, in the Battle of Bangkusay. Number 26 is Leonor Rivera. Cousin and fiancée of Jose Rizal, she was the Maria Clara in Rizal's Noli Me Tangere. Number 27 is Marcela Mario Agoncillo. Maker of the first Philippine flag, born in Tal, Batangas, on June 24, 1859, married to Felipe Agoncillo, she labored to make the Filipino flag in Hong Kong with the help of Delfina Herbosa de Natividad, a niece of Rizal. Died on May 30, 1946, in Tal, Batangas. Number 28 is Gallicano Apacible. On June 25, 1864, Gallicano Apacible, a patriot and propagandist, was born in Balayan, Batangas. He was the youngest of the three children of Don Vicente Apacible and Catalina Castillo, one of the founders of La Solidaridad. Number 29 is Jose Ma Panganiban. Avenger of Filipino honor, born in Mambulao, Camarines Norte, on February 1, 1863, a good friend and co-worker of Rizal, he was Bicolandia's greatest contribution to the historic campaign for reform, more popularly called the propaganda movement. He wrote articles for La Solidaridad, under the pen names Joe Mapa and J.M.P. Died in Barcelona, Spain, on August 19, 1890. Number 30 is Diego Selling. He led the revolt of the Ilocanos in opposition to the tribute and abuses of the Spanish officials. Born in Arangay, La Union, December 16, 1730. The revolt started in Vigan, Ilocos Sur. He was killed by Miguel Vicos, a Spanish mestizo bore grievances against Diego Silang. Number 31 is Maria Josefa Gabriela Selang. After the death of Diego Selang on May 28, 1763, the fight was carried on by his wife Maria Josefa Gabriela Selang and his uncle, Nicolas Carrillo. She too lost her life for freedom's sake on September 30, 1763. Number 32 is Lapu-Lapu. chief of Mactan who led the first successful Philippine armed resistance against Spanish aggression. He fought and killed Magellan in a battle in Mactan on April 27, 1521. Number 33 is Francisco Baltazar. More popularly known as Balagtas, he is considered the prince of Tagalog poets. Born in Panganay, Biga, Bulacan, on April 2, 1788, he wrote Florante at Laura, a masterpiece of local versification, upholding moral and social values. It served as the basic foundation of the Philippine literature. Died in Orion, Bataan, on February 20, 1862. Number 34 is Epifanio de los Santos. Lawyer, journalist, historian, philosopher, bibliographer, painter, poet, musician, literary critic, antique collector, and librarian. Born in Malabon, Rizal, on April 7, 1871. Died on April 28, 1928, in Manila. Number 35 is Francisco de Gahoy. He led the longest revolt in Bohol against Spaniards. The immediate cause of their revolt was the refusal of a Jesuit priest to give a Christian burial to de Gahoy's brother. The Spaniards needed 85 years before they were able to suppress the rebellion. It was only in 1829 that they finally succeeded in bringing to end the revolt started by de Gahoy. Number 36 is Teresa Magbanua. The first woman in Panay to fight in the Philippine Revolution, known as the Visayan Joan of Arc. Born in Patotan, Iloilo, on November 4, 1871. Died in August 1947. Number 37 is Trinidad Texan. Mother of Bayak na Bato. Born in San Miguel, Bulacan on November 18, 1848. Even though women members of the Katipunan were exempted from the pact, she participated in Sanduguan Blood Compact. She fought fearlessly in 12 bloody battles of their revolution in Bulacan, including the famous Batleaf Payak na Bato. Later, she became known as the Mother of the Philippine Red Cross. Died on June 28, 1928. Number 38 is Agata Esteban. Katipunan member who later married Artemio Ricardi. She commuted from Cavite to Manila to buy salter, lead, and copper which were used to make ammunitions. She also carried secret messages about the planned offensives against the Spanish posts. Number 39 is Julian Felipe. Composer of the Philippine National Anthem. Born in Cavite City on January 28, 1861, a dedicated music teacher and composer, he was appointed by Aguinaldo as director of the National Band of the Philippine Republic. Died in Manila on October 2, 1941. Number 40 is Marina Dizon. Daughter of a Katipunan leader in Cavite, who was one of the Tres Martires, executed by the Spanish officials in 1896. Born in Trozo, Manila, on July 18, 1875. She joined the Katipunan in July 1893, one of the first women to have done so. She also kept important documents of the Katipunan. Died on October 25, 1950. Number 41, and our last known Philippine heroes is General Francisco Macabulas. Leader of the revolt in Tarlac, born in La Paz, on September 17, 1871, he was the first patriot in Tarlac who joined the Katipunan. General Aguinaldo appointed him as one of the brigadier generals of the Central Luzon area. He established the Central Executive Committee, which had a constitution called the Constitution of Macabulas. Died in La Paz, Tarlac, on April 30, 1992. That's all for our historical learning today. This video tutorial is under General Education and Social Science during examination day. I hope this video is a big help for you my co-learners. If you have something to ask and suggestions, please put to our comment section below. Congratulations and God bless you. See you to our next video.